you always broke, no matter how hard you work? The truth is, it's not just about how much money you make. It's about what you do with it. In this video, I'll show you 5 money mistakes that might be draining your wallet and keeping you stuck in the cycle of being broke. Let's get started. Number 1, impulse spending. That little treat-yourself purchase might feel good in the moment, but small daily splurges add up fast. For example, spending just $5 a day on snacks or coffee is over $1,800 a year. Instead, create a spending plan for wants and stick to it. Number 2, not having a budget. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll never have control over it. A simple rule is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated, but it's the foundation of financial stability. Number 3, relying on debt. Credit cards and loans might feel like free money, but interest rates can trap you for years. If you're only paying minimum payments, you're losing hundreds or thousands in interest. Focus on paying off debt as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest balances first. Number 4, lifestyle inflation. Every time you earn more, you spend more. Got a raise? Suddenly, a new phone, new clothes, or even a bigger apartment. But here's the problem. If your expenses rise with your income, you'll never build wealth. Instead, keep your lifestyle stable while increasing your savings. Number 5, not saving or investing. Many people wait until they have enough money before saving, but by then, it's too late. Start small, even if it's just $1 a day. Over time, consistent saving builds into something powerful. And when you invest early, compound interest works in your favor. So there you have it, 5 money mistakes that keep you broke. If you recognize yourself in any of these habits, don't worry. The first step to financial freedom is awareness. Start by fixing just one mistake today, and you'll already be ahead of most people. Which of these mistakes do you struggle with the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle.